The e-bike ORION is a four-wheeled electric bike, hybrid, electric and has pedals, that looks like a Lilliputian car. It has an electric motor that adjusts the level of assistance while cycling. It is driven comfortably and at the same time improves health and the environment. It is quite light, and very easy to ride, since it can be used like any other bike that needs leg strength, while the electric motor gives a power boost whenever needed or whenever the cyclist wants. Electromobility is growing rapidly all over the planet and especially in developed countries. Electromobility refers to the use of electric power to propel vehicles, primarily in the context of electric vehicles. This is a key component of efforts to transition away from traditional internal combustion engine vehicles, which rely on fossil fuels and contribute to environmental issues such as air pollution and climate change. Electromobility encompasses a range of technologies and concepts aimed at making transportation more sustainable, efficient, and environmentally friendly. It should also be noted that the ORION e-bike received the Greek Green Awards 2023 Innovation Award at the 5th International Exhibition Verde.Tech, which took place in March 2023 in Athens. The interior of the ORION is dominated by minimalist design, and the dashboard is simple and functional. Here, you see the pedals used by the driver to drive, as well as the inner part of the wheels with the disc brake being the main means of braking. It has a large seat for the rider, while the beautiful wheel caps give another bonus to the design of the electric bike. In case of rain, the driver is fully covered since the vehicle has a full roof, resulting in adequate protection from bad weather. Also, a great advantage that this four-wheeled electric bike has is that it can also accept a solar panel on the roof, and in this way increase the range even more. Please note here that the solar panel is not standard equipment, and you can order it for an extra fee. As its manufacturer explains, it is a bicycle with four wheels, carrying a lithium battery that charges with the same process of electric vehicles and alternatively with the continuous pedal of the cyclist. The total weight is 105 kilograms, while the electric motor is at 250 watts of mid-drive technology. An important element in electric bikes is range and when the user will plug it in. So ORION has a maximum range of 50 kilometers, while with the addition of the solar panel, the range impresses reaching 100 kilometers. The four-wheeled bike has 7 speeds, four-wheel drive, cameras instead of mirrors, digital navigator for city traffic, bicycle handlebars, electric lighting systems, mirrors, speakers for music and open communication, etc. One of the primary environmental advantages of electric bikes is that they produce zero tailpipe emissions. Unlike traditional internal combustion engine vehicles, e-bikes do not emit pollutants such as carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, or particulate matter. This is especially important in urban areas where air quality is a significant concern. Electric bikes can encourage more people to choose cycling as a mode of transportation. This not only reduces the demand for fossil fuel-based vehicles but also promotes physical activity and healthier lifestyles. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel, so you don't miss the next exciting videos.